Unique aspects of Japanese culture include the following. Festival culture. Across Japan, numerous local festivals are held, each with its own unique traditions and culture. These festivals celebrate the seasonal changes and honor the local deities. Hospitality culture. Omotenashi represents the spirit of warm welcome and meticulous care that is unique to Japanese service. This culture is ingrained not only in Japan's accommodations and eateries, but also in every aspect of daily life. Performing and traditional arts. Traditional theatrical performances like kabuki, no, and kyogen, as well as dances like bon-odori and Japanese dance, are unique cultural expressions of Japan. These arts are known for their distinctive costumes, music, and performances. Living with the seasons. Japan values the changing seasons with cultural practices and cuisine that reflect this. For example, cherry blossom viewing in spring, summer festivals and fireworks, autumn leaf hunting, and enjoying hot pot dishes and New Year celebrations in winter. Manga and anime culture. Japanese manga and anime are internationally renowned, characterized by a variety of genres and original storylines. These cultural forms have fans not only in Japan, but around the world. These elements are just a part of Japan's unique culture, which contributes to the appeal that attracts many visitors to the country.